Well, we've been out cruising around this morning, drove by Terriol. We headed towards Florissant, made a right, heading towards 11 Mile Reservoir. And we stopped to let the dog out and hang out for a minute and do a little walking and found this cool little spot. It's pretty neat. Check it out. Zimbabwe and Bildo in the back seat. And what are we doing today, fellas? We are squatch hunting. Yeah. We are all over heading towards the 11 Mile Canyon. We're going down this trail here. We're looking for Sasquatch. I'm gonna reach my head out the window and give a quick whoop. Check it out. Whoop! Wasn't that the best whoop you've ever heard in your existence?
So no.
Anybody else want to give a whoop while we're whooping?
So no Sasquatch yet. So no Sasquatch yet, but we're hopeful.
We're still looking. Whoop! Oh, Bildo just gave a whoop out the window.
Got a whoop.
A window whoop. All right, we're gonna be checking back. We're gonna be checking back in with you here in a little bit. We're gonna do some more whooping. Hell, I'm even gonna get Zimbabwe a tree knock. It's going to be
everyone that thinks that will actually see Sasquatch, hit that subscribe button.
It's going to be the most exciting tree knock you've ever heard because Zimbabwe's never done one before. All right, we'll see you in a little bit, folks. What kind of camera are you using there, Bildo?
This is a Lumix G95.
Yeah, they don't sponsor us either. All right, we've been cruising down the 11 Mile Canyon. Just had to make a quick stop here. Saw this view, had to stop. Get a quick shot of it. Very beautiful place. The whole ride's been kind of cool. Bildo and Jimbo, they've been kind of like good company. Epic friends, right? Epic friends and family. That's what it's all about. It's about traveling the most untraveled roads we can find. Today the roads aren't so untraveled, but they are pretty. This road's been pretty busy. It's a Saturday, and I guess this is a pretty popular place. But well worth the drive, well worth the trip. The roads are very moderate. Haven't had any real rough areas or anything of that nature with the truck or any kind of problems getting here. And again, the views are just totally epic no matter where you look. It's just beautiful all around.